County in eastern Pennsylvania, Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:16 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Harmony to near Birdsboro, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Allentown, Easton, Bethlehem, Norristown, Pottstown, Phoenixville, Lansdale, West Norton, Forks, East Norton, Emmaus, Procuretown, Percy, Doylestown, Durham, Wilson, Souderton, Bedminster, Hellertown, and Nazareth. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 326 and 328. Northeast extension between mile markers 22 and 55. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania near mile marker 327. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 55 and 76. Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 18. Protecting yourself from immediate threats to life and safety shall take priority. Whenever possible, as long as it does not cause greater harm, all COVID-19 protective action guidance should be followed. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following county. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey at in northwestern New Jersey.